Hello to all visual creation enthusiasts. Today, I present to you a revolution in the world of video and photography. Imagine incredibly stable shots, stunning 3D effects, and a battery life of 13 hours to capture all your unforgettable moments. Welcome to the world of the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus. Before going any further, if you want to discover the secret behind exceptionally stable videos and take advantage of an exclusive offer, click the link in the description to order at the best price and explore the thousands of customer reviews. The Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus is the ideal companion for all visual creation enthusiasts, from amateurs to professionals. Whether you are a social media content creator, an aspiring vlogger, or a budding filmmaker, this stabilizer offers advanced features accessible to everyone. Transform your videos into professional works and explore new perspectives with the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus. No more blurry and unstable videos. With the new iSteady anti-shake technology, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus smartphone stabilizer offers you exceptional stability, allowing you to capture professional shots regardless of movement. Shaky photos and blurry videos are now a thing of the past. Want to learn more about this revolutionary technology? Click the link in the description to discover all the technical details and get your stabilizer at the best price. Filming has never been easier using the gimbal Hohem Joy app. Thanks to the various modes such as moment, inception, fantastic rotation, clone me, panoramic video, time-lapse, and dolly zoom, you can experiment with unique shooting effects. With just a click in the app, face tracking, aesthetic retouching, everything is at your fingertips. To unlock the full potential of your creativity, click the link in the description and discover how the gimbal Hohem Joy app can transform your shooting experience. The new Inception mode allows you to spontaneously rotate your phone vertically 360 degrees during filming. A 600-degree rotation for limitless creativity. Become the professional filmmaker you have always wanted to be with dynamic and captivating shots. Want to try out this amazing mode and add a unique touch to your videos? Click the link in the description and order your stabilizer now. Whether you are in fast motion, live on social media, shooting a vlog, or even working on a documentary, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus adapts to all situations. The updated sport mode ensures incredibly smooth shots, even in the most extreme conditions. To transform your shaky videos into professional sequences, click the link in the description and discover how the sport mode of the stabilizer can make a difference. With an impressive battery life of 13 hours, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus ensures extended outdoor shooting time. You can even use the stabilizer as a power bank to recharge your phone. Compatible with a wide range of smartphones such as the iPhone 15 or iPhone 8, Samsung Galaxy, Huawei, Xiaomi, Google, OnePlus, and many others. Don't miss the opportunity to have this ideal filming companion in your hands. Click on the link in the description to order your Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus stabilizer at the best price and discover its incredible versatility. Let's now recap the advantages as well as the disadvantages. Advantage number 1. Exceptional stability. Thanks to iSteady Anti-Shake 6.0 technology, this stabilizer offers exceptional stability, eliminating blurry videos and shaky photos. Advantage number 2. Intuitive Hohem Joy app. The app offers a variety of creative modes, from face tracking to one-click video creation, providing a simplified and creative shooting experience. Advantage number 3. Auto Inception at 600 degrees. The Inception mode allows for vertical rotations of 360 degrees, adding a taut 3D dimension to your videos and expanding your creative palette. Advantage number 4. Sport mode and adaptability. Perfect for dynamic activities, the Sport mode ensures smooth shots even in extreme conditions, suitable for various shooting scenarios. Advantage number 5. Impressive battery life. With a battery life of 13 hours, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus ensures extended shooting time and can even be used as a power bank to recharge your phone. Advantage number 6. Universal compatibility. Compatible with a wide range of smartphones, it is suitable for users of iPhone, Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, Google, OnePlus, and many others. Now, let's move on to a few drawbacks. Disadvantage number 1. The weight of the item. Weighing 474 grams, the stabilizer may seem relatively heavy for some users, although this feature is offset by its advanced functionalities. Disadvantage number 2. Learning the features. Beginner users may require some time to master all the features offered by the stabilizer. especially with the gimbal Hohem Joy app. In summary, despite some potential drawbacks, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus offers an exceptional shooting experience, ideal for those seeking professional quality and creative versatility. To learn more and take advantage of an exclusive offer, click the link in the description. In conclusion, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus is not just a stabilizer, it is the tool that unleashes your creativity, allowing you to capture unique moments with exceptional stability. Join the filming revolution and discover the endless potential of your creativity with the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus. To order it at the best price and access all its exceptional features, click on the link in the description now. Thank you for your attention.